G'day guys, it's Tim. I'm checking in on Facebook Live all the way from the beaches of beautiful Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. I'm over here for a conference and I can't wait to get back to Australia, heading back on Saturday, and just super excited. We have the first Plan Your Way to Wealth workshops, Tuesday in Melbourne, and then of course Wednesday in Perth. And firstly, I just can't wait to get back. I mean, one of the things that I just love doing more than anything else is working with people like you, helping you achieve your goals, and the things that really matter to me is assisting people like you, live a life where you can pursue the things that really matter to you. Where you can make the kind of difference that you really want to make in the world, and where you can really live life to the fullest and completely experience life, whether it be things like travel, providing for your family. It was so great with the Facebook Live that we did last week, I should say. Just really inquiring into people, like, if you never, ever had to worry about money again, what would your life be about? It was so great just hearing from you and hearing the kind of contribution that you want to make to people like the family and those people that you care most about and the people that you love. So next week we have the workshop starting, and I mean, for those of you that don't know about the workshops, firstly, this is without a doubt the best thing that you can do to really get your 2018 kicked off, started on the right track, and really start you moving towards your financial goals with a great amount of momentum in the right direction, and make sure that you nail your goals for 2018 when it comes to your money and to your finances. Now, for those of you that either haven't been to our events before, or maybe you haven't heard too much about our Plan Your Way to Wealth workshop, I mean, the first thing you should know is this: the workshops are completely free. So there's no cost to be there. You can come, you can be with me, you can listen to the insights and the education, the distinctions that we've trained over 15,000 people with over the last 7 years. And if you want to have any idea about the kind of difference that's made to people's life, just please get onto our website, check out the feedback. You will hear from hundreds and hundreds of people about specifically the difference that workshop has made in their lives in terms of reaching their financial goals and living the life that they really deserve, the life that they really want to live. Now, to just run through a few things about what's covered off in the workshop. So firstly, the first thing that we're actually going to do is we're going to deal with what are your financial goals. Most people have never actually sat down and really thought out in detail and specifically, like, what are my financial goals? What am I trying to achieve? Of course, you're also going to figure out, well, if that's what I'm trying to achieve, what am I going to need to be able to have that? Okay, so that's one of the biggest parts that we really start to deal with in the first part of the workshop. Then from there, we're going to start to talk about the single largest mistakes that people make when it comes to money. Plainly and simply, for many people, they just fail to reach their goals, not because they're not doing anything, but maybe they're following some of the herd mentality. They're following, things that people are telling them that aren't best. I mean, one of these things that is a big and certainly getting a lot of traction nowadays is the idea of rent vesting. That maybe owning your own home is not actually the best thing for you in terms of reaching your financial goals. Okay. Then most importantly, and this is something that a lot of people really do come to the event to find out about, is that I'm going to walk through with you the strategies that more people on the BRW Top 200 use than any other to achieve their wealth. If we look at the BRW Top 200, more people on that list, they use the exact same strategy than any other. Okay, what is that strategy? If this is what they're using, what about you? Of the people that are using that strategy, there is a significant proportion of those people that did it from nothing. So if they did it from nothing, why can't you? Okay, I promise you, I guarantee this will be one of the single best things you do this year when it comes to achieving your financial goals. You're going to have a great time, you're going to get great value, you're going to be really glad that you came. Okay, and of course the other benefit for me is that I get to meet you. Okay, this is the thing that I love, is getting up and working with people and helping them achieve their goals so that they can live the life that they want to live, make the difference they want to make, pursue the things that really matter to them, and really experience life to the fullest. Look, guys, I'm pretty much just going to leave it at that for now. As you can see, the sun is setting at the moment. I'm going to go and have a margarita. You've got to drink some margaritas when you're in Mexico. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope the year has gotten off to a great start. And I really can't wait to meet you at the workshops next week. Make sure you get in. There'll be links down below so you can register, whether it be for the Perth or the Melbourne workshops. And I'll see you next week. Thanks, guys. Have a great night. Bye-bye. Or great day, I should say. I'm on the other side of the world. Thanks a lot. Bye.